Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to remove a credit card, debit card, or PayPal payment method from Instagram on your iPhone. If you no longer want Instagram to use a saved payment method for purchases, ads, subscriptions, or donations, you can remove it through the MetaPay settings. Make sure you don't have any pending payments or active subscriptions that still require that payment method before deleting it. Now let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and sign into your account. Now tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right. After that, select Orders and Payments. Now tap MetaPay. Then tap Manage at the top of the screen. If you want to add a new payment method, tap Add Payment Method, then choose Debit or Credit Card and follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to remove a saved credit card, debit card, or PayPal account, find the payment method under Payment Methods. Now tap the arrow next to the payment method you want to remove. Then tap Edit Card or the payment details. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page. Now tap Delete. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. The payment method will be removed from your MetaPay account and will no longer be available for Instagram payments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.